Hello guys, I'm here to show you guys how I come up with this frame using adhesive gum. What I'm applying on the board is adhesive gum. Okay, adhesive gum, this kind of gum is not meant to leave it for air to touch it. Minus that, you have a big problem. Okay, for frameless, I'm talking about frameless. If you are thinking of using it on frameless, once you leave it, after applying it and you do not attach picture or you do not attach anything you wanted, like picture, H-tape, you do not attach it immediately and you leave it for so long. I'm sorry it might disappoint you, okay? Because it's usually gone fast. It's gone fast and it's very hard to remove. Once you attach something, it's very hard to remove. Okay, so it's very risky making use of this kind of gum. It's very, very risky. So I just have a thought of trying it and also show you guys. So stay tuned and be watching my movements and see what I'm doing. Okay. Actually, this wasn't the only frame I made that day. It's wrong I made this post. I made this video, sorry. I mean to say it's wrong I made this video. It's just that I've not have time to say something about it before posting. So as you can see, I'm already tired while doing this particular frame. Very, very exhausted. Okay. So just be watching my movements, see what I'm doing. If key are not taking after trying this gum, as you leave the let me say, along the line, you might start seeing the printed picture coming out. After framing the picture, after framing the printed picture, if you did not do it very well, you might start seeing the printed picture separating from the board. That's what I need to say. Okay, so that's why I said earlier, it's very risky making use of this gum. So just be watching my movements, see what I'm doing.